try this one now. I don't know what's gonna happen. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit! I got belt slip. I'll make her. I'll make her. That's the deepest water my rig has ever been in. Had to stop videoing to get out. It did get out on its own with him pulling on me, but that was all belt slip. I couldn't get belt traction to pull out of that. And the water was up over this. I've never been that deep in water before. And it didn't even stall.